Activity Overview. Over a sequence of 3 lessons, Year 2 students were taught to use computational thinking to solve technological problems through engaging and exploring with Bluebots.
Activities using the Bluebot technology meant that students could begin writing their codes, inputting their codes into the Bluebot, and then evaluating the effectiveness of the code. The Bluebot technology is suitable for younger primary years as its features are simplistic and easy to use.
The learning sequence will progress from the teacher modeling computational thinking skills, deconstructing, pattern recognition, abstraction, and algorithms, to the students utilizing their computational thinking skills to independently write code to solve a problem.
Although the final task will involve independent work, the primary focus on Lesson 1, 2, and 3 is collaborative. Students will be actively engaged with the authentic, hands-on learning tasks to practice their computational thinking skills. Lesson 1. The students are learning to use their computational thinking skills to construct abstract algorithms to collaboratively solve a problem using Bluebots. Collaboratively, students need to complete the task creating simple code with the Bluebot command cards that will allow the Bluebot to successfully complete a route from the teacher. Students will have an opportunity to evaluate another CT skill, their codes in the explore stage of the lesson. They can rewrite and retest their codes as necessary to ensure they have a successful one. Lesson 2. As the learning sequence continues, the learning tasks begin to place the content in authentic real-life contexts. This will raise awareness of the importance of computational thinking skills as they provide a structured approach to problems. The real-life context in Lesson 2 is the use of a map of students' local area and gauge their knowledge of the world around them. Students can then focus on utilizing the 4 core CT skills to solve this problem instead of fixating on the problem itself. Collaboratively, the entire class is engaged in writing the code for this task. Students must share the task while also demonstrating the other CT skills. It is the teacher's job to test the student code. They should provide evaluative feedback if the code is unsuccessful. Lesson 3. Students will progress towards independent work. They will need to write the code to complete 2 key tasks within this lesson and demonstrate all of the CT skills explored in the previous 2 lessons. Students are introduced to the teacher's maze for Task A, using the provided resources, copies of the maze, and Worksheet C. Students write a code for the Bluebot to correctly travel through the maze. Students can demonstrate their CT skills through the progress of creating the code, using the provided worksheets or through a vocal discussion with their teacher. Following the completion of Part A, students begin Part B, where they will need to create their own trails. This will allow students to demonstrate their creative and tinkering skills. These trails will then be shared with a partner who will need to code instructions for a Bluebot to travel along the trail. After they have done this and shown the teacher, the partners who shared the trails will come together to show each other their codes. Students will also engage in some evaluative feedback on each other's code, answering some simple questions to explain their coding choices.
Created using Powtoon.